Hello friends, it's Trisha here on Freedom Hill. The other day I posted a video about my favorite room in our new house. And today I'm going to post a video about my least favorite room in this house. And believe it or not, my least favorite room in this house is the kitchen. And I'm going to show you why. What you see before you is an open doorway that leads from this hallway into my kitchen. It's very dark in there. That's better. But this room is extremely dark. There is no natural light whatsoever that comes into this room. At the end of the dining room, there's double doors that lead outside to my favorite room in the house, which is our screened-in back porch, as you can see through there. Let me turn these lights on as well. But the kitchen itself is very dark. It doesn't matter. I mean, today is a bright sunny day outside, but this kitchen, as you saw when I walked in, was very dark. So I have to have all the lights on in order to work in here at all. And that wasn't the case in my other kitchen at the house we had near Washington, D.C. But anyway, there's a light fixture. There were 3 pendant lights hanging down. My husband just recently installed that. He has a little bit of ceiling repair work to do, but the other light fixture was literally falling apart, and the landlord ordered this one that I picked out, and my husband installed it. But this kitchen does have some features that I do like, but overall, I think it's a poor design. This kitchen is basically one corner of the room. Here's the whole downstairs. It's attached to the living room / family room. It's attached to my office over there. And as you can see, it's an open stairway. So the house itself has some beautiful features. I don't like a kitchen that is just tucked into a corner as though it's an afterthought. And that's exactly what this kitchen feels like. The pantry in this kitchen is too small for the house. Now, this house is 3,200 square feet, and this is all the pantry. So that is, it's fine. It's not like I'm complaining. Sounds like I'm complaining. But for a house this size, you need a larger pantry, and really a walk-in pantry would be ideal. The architecture of this house is not, in my opinion, functional for the size of the house. We recently got this refrigerator that's counter depth, so we do have more walking space through here, and that's good. But basically, I don't like the darkness of this kitchen. I think it's compromised. I think the cabinet space is inadequate, and I'm talking for a house this size. I'm not talking, it's not inadequate for a smaller family or, a smaller house. It would be fine. But I find it slightly inadequate, and it's difficult to get organized to cook. I am getting there, but I make most of our meals from scratch, and it's just my least favorite room. I think it's because I came from a kitchen that we actually designed and built ourselves. And I'll insert a picture. And I'm not lamenting missing that kitchen or anything, but to go from that to something that's just basically tucked into a corner has really been difficult. So while overall I like the house and I like what it has to offer, I'm not a big fan of the kitchen. I'll work with it. This is a rental, but I just wanted to give you a quick tour of my kitchen. It does have some features I like. I think I showed in another video these wide drawers, and they hold a lot, and that's really helpful. It looks full. I mean, it is full, but I have a lot of kitchen gadgets. And it has 2 of these really wide drawers, and I do like that feature. So I don't hate my kitchen. It's just my least favorite room. So I just thought I would show you. It does have this narrow cupboard that holds cookie sheets and cutting boards and things like that, which is really nice. Of course, the dishwasher all built in. It has a sliding shelf in here, which I keep my small appliances in. I like it that this just slides out and I can pick up my food processor, my small food processor, my blender, or my Belgian waffle iron easily. And then it has drawer space, obviously, where I keep my Cutco knives. It's where we keep our everyday silverware. And just, you know, all the things you need in a kitchen. But still, it's my least favorite room. Can I work with it? Absolutely. Do I love it? Absolutely not. But I will cook, and I will clean, and I will be joyful anyway. You can't get your joy from a kitchen. So there you have it, my least favorite room. I think a kitchen, while it's adequate, for me, growing up on a farm, the kitchen was a room unto itself. Our kitchens were not open to other rooms of the house like they are here. If someone's watching television, but someone's in the kitchen cooking, you can hear everything, and we often have to take that into consideration because it gets loud and then you can't hear and it's difficult. So I'm not a fan of open concept at all. I think a kitchen needs to be a large room unto itself, and that's what I'm used to, that's what I grew up with, that's what we created at our home in DC, and that's my preference. So I just wanted to show you my least favorite room. We do have the dining room on this end. I have a little cart over there that holds my cookbooks and some mason jars. A little bit of decor, of course my beautiful screened-in porch, and the new hutch that I just refinished. I have some pictures over there on the floor that need to be hung up on the wall. So we're getting there. We are getting there. So there's my kitchen, my least favorite room in this house. Thank you so much for watching. I would love to have you subscribe if you haven't. And God bless you all. Have a great day. Bye.